Hello, everybody. This is Farida Bharmal here. And you know what? I have been having 101 with so many entrepreneurs, and there are three major issues which I see. So I have kind of, taken three major topics, and I'm letting you know what the issues are. Does it also stand true for you? Have a look and let me know. Okay. The first is the business invisibility trap. Now, the first thing here which is happening is either you're blending into the background or your social media is very generic. What everybody else is doing, the same thing you are doing. You don't have a distinct voice, you don't have a USP, you don't have anything that can make you stand out in the crowd. Okay. And the customers are like kind of scrolling past your feed. I mean, they wouldn't they? If it's like everybody else's, why would they stop? What would they see? Correct. Now, the next thing is, which is actually very important to address, is the confidence killer. That is doubting your own worth, afraid to set the right prices. You are discounting yourself, thinking, oh, maybe the discounts would attract the crowd. That's not the case. Okay. Third is you're shrinking when somebody asks about your business. You don't know how to present yourself, you don't know how to pitch yourself across. The fourth is there's this imposter syndrome. You're doubting your own self. Can I actually do this business? Do I really have it in me? Is it actually a business or it's just a hobby? You are having all of these things, and you're trying to you know place yourself somewhere or the other. Okay. Then there is a major resource drain that's happening. You're juggling everything alone, or now, because you're doing this, you're burning out even before breaking through. In the sense, you need to scale up, but even before doing that, these responsibilities are so much, and you're not able to get that time out, that your entire energy is spent up, and you are like, I don't have any more time. Okay. Third is you don't have a clear strategy in place. You are in a survival mode. If your client comes, or else it's like Allah bharose kind of a thing. Or fourth is you, especially for the product industries, your inventory is gathering dust. And major thing which I'm seeing is opportunities slipping you by, and that's not okay. So this program, one is how you could build a powerful and memorable brand for yourself. Second is discovering how your ideal client, or first and foremost who your ideal client is, what your niche market is, and how you can click with them. Third is pitching your business like a pro. You need to do this. This is one question you're going to be asked: who are you? What do you do? You should know how to answer it. Fourth is the way you name your business. Guys, it's very important. Some of your names don't align. Okay, we look into that as well. And fifth is step by step roadmap for success in your industry to scale your business. These are some of the things which we are going to look into, and I would love for you to join our session if this resonates with you. See, this is a wake up call for you. Your business is not a side hustle. It's not something that you do one day and then you don't do the other day. You have a potential. You need to utilize it well. Okay, so I would love for you to join this 3 hours that could change everything for your business. And let's not forget, you have like minded entrepreneurs just like you who would be participating here. So I really want you to come, participate, enroll for this particular event, and I'm going to see you soon.